Hi, I'm Kris Beevers. I'm the co-founder and the CEO of NetBox Labs. We're the commercial sponsors of NetBox, the open source network source of truth that, as you know, is trusted by tens of thousands of engineers to document their networks, to automate their networks from small offices all the way up to Fortune 50 enterprises. Just about everybody uses NetBox. The open source project, it's got a huge community, a fast growing community, hundreds of contributors, thousands of active community members who help and learn from each other every single day. Supporting and growing that community is among our highest priorities at NetBox Labs. We're creating what I call a virtuous circle for sustainable open source investment. That means building a commercial business that meets the needs of companies who depend on NetBox in their operations, like, for example, we're doing with NetBox Cloud, and then reinvesting the revenue from that business in the open source project and community, like we do by hiring core NetBox maintainers and developers, or by investing through our community fund, or in other ways. That virtuous circle is a superpower. It means that NetBox is going to continue to evolve and expand to meet the needs of the community. It's a very, very different approach than proprietary software, than something like a hard fork that's focused entirely on the narrow needs of a small commercial customer base. A true open source business like we're building at NetBox Labs, it creates the best of both worlds. Companies that have mission critical needs, they get the peace of mind of a supported or reliable offering. At the same time, they get the benefits of the open source project's velocity. That's enabled, of course, by our massive community, but also multiplied by NetBox Labs' own direct investment in the project and the ecosystem. And then our open source users and contributors, they get the consistency, the maturity of a professionally managed organization, and the predictability of a project that is sustainably supported by full-time maintainers, full-time developers. NetBox will always be open source. So we want you to come join one of the fastest growing open source communities in the world. We want you to be part of our virtuous circle and to join us as we make managing complex networks easier for everyone.